Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options to remove. So for example, the history, cookies and site data and tabs. We can change the time range, it's up to you, and tap on delete data. If you want to remove advanced browsing history, simply tap on more options, and here you can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. You can also change the time range again, for example to all time. It's totally up to you, and then tap on delete data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.